Hey guys, Jordan with Florida Drone Supply, and today we're going to be going over the active tracking feature on the DJI Air 3. Most of you know there are many anticipated updates to most of the features available, one being Active Track, which is taking tracking and filming to a whole new level. If you own a drone and are looking to update, you're in for a treat as we explore the incredible capabilities of Active Track and put it to the test. But let's quickly overview what active tracking is. Essentially, it's an advanced tracking technology using your Air 3 that allows you to select an object, such as a person or a vehicle, and once you hit go, the aircraft will autonomously follow while capturing a subject seamlessly and keeping it in the frame. Active Track brings an enhanced level of object recognition to the table. It can intelligently identify and track subjects with greater precision, making it perfect for capturing dynamic movements in action. While using this feature or with any aircraft in flight, we always remember that safety is paramount, and Active Track takes it very seriously. With the newest advanced 360 obstacle avoidance technology, your Air 3 can intelligently navigate around obstacles while keeping the subject in focus. This is a giant leap towards saying goodbye to accidental collisions and hello to worry-free tracking. Active Track is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It offers a range of tracking modes such as Spotlight and Point of Interest. Each mode is designed for different scenarios, giving you the flexibility to capture the perfect shot no matter what. One of the standout features is the high-speed tracking capability. Whether you're capturing fast-paced action or shooting a thrilling adventure, Active Track ensures smooth and stable tracking even at high speeds. It truly is a game changer for action sports and cinematic shots. But enough talk, let's get tracking. As you can see, it effortlessly follows the subject, maintaining a steady frame and delivering professional quality footage. If you're as impressed as I am, hit that like button and let us know in the comments what you think about this innovative feature. And don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with more in-depth content. For more info about the Air 3, go ahead and click the link in the description below. If you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call at 855-8-DRONES, or you can visit us online at floridadronesupply.com. As always, thank you for watching and happy flying.